TLE 6, Agriculture. Proper way of planting and propagating trees. Objectives. At the end of 50 minutes, 100% of the learners are expected to identify proper way of planting, propagating trees and fruit-bearing trees. Demonstrate proper way of planting, propagating trees and fruit-bearing trees, budding, marcotting, grafting. Differentiate ways of growing trees and fruit trees. Let's be informed. Modern technology and research have gone a long way, especially in the field of agriculture. There are different agricultural products today that did not exist long ago. We now have seedless grapes, oranges, and watermelons. There are also various plants with leaves and flowers of different colors that come from just one plant. Fruit-bearing trees are able to bear fruits within a very short span of time. Some can bear fruits all year round. These advancements are possible because of an agricultural technology called plant propagation. Plant propagation is a method for reproducing, increasing, or multiplying plant species. It is being practiced because of the following reasons. 1. To increase the number of plant species. 2. To produce plant varieties that are resistant to some insect pests and diseases. 3. To evolve new and better varieties of plants suited to different conditions of soil and climate. 4. To accelerate and at the same time lessen the bearing age of plants. 5. To avert the extinction of some plant species. 6. Proper way of propagating fruit-bearing trees. Cutting. The leaves are removed and the stems are cut 10 inches long. 1/2 of the cutting is inserted into the soil. 7. Marcotting or air layering. Induces the stem to develop roots while it is still growing on the mother plant. 8. Grafting. A plant propagation method that involves inserting a scion into a stalk so that they will form a union and grow together. Budding. The process of transferring the lateral bud taken from the scion to the stalk of the same family. Sources of fruit-bearing trees. Fruit-bearing trees propagated by the sexual method, use of seeds. Some are propagated asexually or by artificial methods. Taking care of fruit tree seedlings. Here are some ways to keep plants healthy. 1. Water the plants twice a day. Do this in the early morning and in the late afternoon. 2. Apply fertilizer in the soil. Use organic fertilizer. 3. Cultivate the soil around the plants to allow the roots to breathe. 4. Exterminate pests or insects. The following are recommended for best results in exterminating pests or insects. A. Water the plants. B. Mix powdered chili or juice of the leaves of the neem tree with water. Keep this overnight. Use the mixture for watering. C. Fumigate the tree or plant using charcoal and dried leaves. D. Remove insects and pests using hands or tweezers. Pull the grasses or weeds surrounding the plants because they compete for the nutrients which are intended for the plants. Remove dried leaves and cut carefully the dried or infected branches. Monitor the growth of plants.